Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to download Composer in Ubuntu Linux. So first you need to type Composer. Okay, so we don't have the Composer installed in our Linux, so copy this sudo apt install Composer. Okay, type Composer again. Okay, so this is how you install Composer in Linux.